everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we have come to the Pegsdon Hills in Bedfordshire. I've been here before, but that was one of my first videos and I wasn't really happy with it because I wasn't prepared because I didn't have a microphone or anything. So this is sort of take two, and as you can see, the sun is trying to come up, with a beautiful sky in the background. But look at this view. Right over there, absolutely beautiful. So in the distance you've got, I think it's called Knockinhoe Nature Reserve. If we carry on walking up the hill, so we are walking up a Chiltern Hill. I should think when we get to the top there will be absolutely stunning views the other side. Wrapped up warm, trying to keep warm. She's taking a photo of me, the adventurer. Yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful. You can see for miles. Everything's bare. This is very local to us. I think we'd be able to see our flat from a distance if we knew where it was. Trailblazer, she's telling me, showing us where to go. We're going over there, are we? She's one of the Incas. She's been up Mount Everest millions of times and come back again, so look at that through. So down that way would be Chiltern Hills. It's amazing all these trips you go on, and the amount of trees that have got woolly hats on, gloves. It's like, how can people lose their hats? Oh, it's gone. So we've reached the summit. Has it got any writing on it? Or is it just... oh. I don't know what that means. But look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Long way up, so you still got a little bit of snow. Yeah, the last time I did a video from here, I didn't brave coming up this high. I think that video would have been... very, very... I haven't said this word in a long time. It is stunning. Just wish that sun would come out and make it even more beautiful. But hey ho, can't complain. Yeah, so our flat is somewhere in that direction. Pegsdon Hills in Bedfordshire. This is in the Chiltern Hills. Say goodbye, Millie. watches this video, thank you, I really appreciate it, and if you write a comment I really appreciate that too. Everyone stay safe, and I'll see you later.